written the same class. No past you this year. Were you thinking desert spoken? You are my love song and seeing your faithful up this heart of mine. You are so beautiful and I wish you could be there with me. Right. Dear, I want you to know that I was in love with you from the moment I meet you. I would you like to present myself as a propositive lover. Our love affair would be on probation for 2 months. Upon completion of probation, there will be performs appearances leading to permission from lover to spouse. Wow, I am 101 in love with you. Can I be so hold as to invite you study with me Saturday afternoon and after invite you to go to the move and then invite your dinner and the invite you to go dancing and then if you were not tired of my lack of objectivity ask you a kiss please short the process be given me this kiss at once I send an angel to watch over you while you were asleep but the angel come back so now all then expected and I am asked why the angels and angels do not watch over in angle I may know you and you might want to kill me. I permit you but one day condition. Don't show, shoot me in the heart because that wipe where you are know you are my best friend the one I want to see every day. I hope you also do and feel the same way while here. One a work thing I just heading to stop and say I miss you more than any the world. You are my life, every breath that I take and every thought I have is all because of you. I wish you we were together right now, but even the distance between us does not take away. You are beauty in my heart. You are always with me, watching over my shoulder and smiling as I go through my day. I love you. Bibi message me on my private messenger. We were at the right place and time for our first meeting, which become the first step into your blissful romance. After all these years, your brightness has not demanded once in my eyes, and I needed my love for you. Does not seem to got tired to of refining. You are entertaining being come what am I? You will be reminded that young girl with a sweet latest finger who I excited bumped into on busy school campus. I have had my fair share on wins freely racing, but I granted you that loving has been the most significant victory in my short life. Day without you makes me want to question planet Earth. Excitedness, dear love, you keep me going even on my most vibrantly day. Without you, I am cannot breathe. I am incompletely. I love you so much, baby. You and I both ending up together was not an exciting accident. Our story was written in the star even before we meet each other. I thank Allah every day from the core of my heart for this. I wish you know how much I adore you. I love you. I miss you, my dear, and believed lady so much, and that sometimes it is difficult to breathe. I want to run to you and feel into your tender embrace.